Customers typically purchase sensor elements with short lead wires of 7 or 10 millimeters. For final assembly, the wires are extended by soldering, crimping, brazing or welding, which is followed by insulating the extension area with shrinking tubes or insulating sleeves. On the one hand, this process is not very cost efficient, but on the other hand, the extension point is typically a weak point regarding long-term or vibration stability. Innovative sensor technology IST AG has developed a process to directly weld PTFE insulated wires to the sensor element. Using this technology has allowed us to weld wires directly to the chip of up to 2 meters in length. This fully automated process allows welding wires from AVG 26 to AVG 34. At the end of the wire, the insulation is automatically stripped so that the sensor perfectly matches the customer's construction. Depending on the size of the element, 3 or 4 wire constructions directly welded to the chips are possible too. In most cases, this helps in lowering the costs and simplifies the assembly process for lead extensions and its quality. The use of this technology also increases reliability and allows standard connectors to be easily attached to the lead ends. If you're interested in our solutions, feel free to contact us.